Let's be real, you've only got one shot to make a first impression. In the business world, that first impression is your brand name. Think about the greats: Apple, Nike, Tesla. These names are more than just words. They evoke feelings, ideas, and aspirations. So if you're ready to craft a brand name that turns heads and captures attention, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 powerful techniques to help you create a brand name that's not just good, it's unforgettable. Let's dive in. All right, let's kick things off with the foundation of brand naming: descriptive names. This approach is all about clarity and directly communicating what your brand is all about. Think of it like this: you don't want people guessing what you do, you want them to know instantly. Take a company like Dollar Shave Club. Right off the bat, you know exactly what they offer: affordable razors delivered straight to your door. There's no need to overthink it, it's straightforward and effective. Another example, NetJets, a company that sells fractional ownership of private jets. Again, crystal clear what they're about. Now, this isn't about being boring or lacking creativity. It's about being strategic. A descriptive name can be incredibly powerful, especially in the early stages of your business. Think about it. When you're just starting out, you need to make it crystal clear to potential customers what you offer. A descriptive name can do just that, instantly conveying your value proposition without any confusion. Take a company like Honest Tea. They could have easily gone with something generic like organic beverages, but Honest Tea has a ring to it, right? It's memorable, it evokes a sense of authenticity, and it perfectly aligns with their brand values. Remember, when it comes to brand names, clarity is king. Now let's dive into the world of acronyms and mashups, a playground for creating short, catchy, and super memorable brand names. Think of it like this: our brains love shortcuts. We're bombarded with information every single day, so a short, snappy name can be a breath of fresh air. Take a look at some of the biggest brands out there: BMW, IBM, KFC. These acronyms have become iconic, instantly recognizable around the world. And the beauty of it is that they often stem from longer, more descriptive names. BMW, for instance, stands for Bayerische Motorenwerke, which, let's be honest, doesn't exactly roll off the tongue. Then you've got mashups, a fantastic way to combine words or syllables to create something fresh and unique. Think about Pinterest, a clever blend of pin and interest. It perfectly captures the essence of the platform, allowing users to visually bookmark and share their interests. Or take a company like Evernote, a combination of everlasting and note. It speaks to the idea of capturing and preserving your thoughts and ideas digitally forever. Now here's the key with acronyms and mashups. Make sure it makes sense for your brand. Don't just force it for the sake of it, because a catchy acronym or mashup can be your ticket to standing out in a crowded marketplace and etching your brand into the minds of your customers. Chapter 3: Abstract and Unique Names. Unleash your creativity. All right, ready to unleash your inner creative genius? Let's talk about abstract and unique brand names. Now, this approach is all about breaking free from convention and crafting a name that's truly one of a kind. Think Google, Spotify, or even Xerox. These names didn't exist before these companies came along. They created them out of thin air. The beauty of abstract names is that they offer a blank canvas for storytelling. You have the power to infuse the name with meaning and create a unique brand identity that's entirely your own. Take Google, for instance. It's a play on the word Google, which refers to the number 1 followed by 100 zeros, representing the vast amount of information the search engine processes. Or consider Spotify. It's a made-up word, but it's catchy, memorable, and evokes a sense of discovery and musical exploration. Now, here's the thing about abstract names. They require a bit more effort to gain traction. Unlike descriptive names, you'll need to invest in building brand awareness and communicating your value proposition to your target audience. But the payoff can be huge. A truly unique and memorable abstract name can set you apart from the competition, spark curiosity, and create a lasting impression. Chapter 4: Metaphors and Symbols. Tell a story without saying a word. Let's dive into the captivating world of metaphors and symbols in brand naming, where a single word can paint 1,000 pictures and tell a compelling story without uttering a single syllable. Think about it. Some of the most iconic brands in the world have harnessed the power of metaphors and symbols to create lasting impressions. Take Nike, for example. Inspired by the Greek goddess of victory, the name Nike embodies speed, agility, and triumph, perfectly aligning with the brand's athletic apparel and footwear. Or consider Amazon. Jeff Bezos envisioned his company as a vast and all-encompassing marketplace, much like the mighty Amazon River. The name evokes a sense of scale, diversity, and endless possibilities. The key to using metaphors and symbols effectively is to choose imagery that deeply resonates with your brand's core values and aspirations. What feeling do you want to evoke in your customers? What story do you want to tell? Remember, a well-chosen metaphor or symbol can create an instant connection with your target audience, conveying your brand's essence in a way that words alone simply cannot. So, don't be afraid to think outside the box, explore different concepts, and find that perfect metaphorical representation that captures the heart and soul of your brand. Chapter 5: French-inspired names, a touch of elegance and sophistication. Now, let's add a touch of je ne sais quoi to your brand with French-inspired names. There's something undeniably captivating about the French language. It exudes elegance, sophistication, and a certain air of luxury. And when it comes to brand names, a touch of French can go a long way. Think about some of the most iconic French brands out there: Chanel, Dior, Cartier. These names roll off the tongue, evoking images of high fashion, exquisite craftsmanship, and timeless elegance. But you don't have to be in the fashion industry to benefit from a French-inspired name. Let's say you're launching a bakery specializing in artisan pastries. A name like La Pâtisserie Délicieuse, the delicious pastry shop, instantly transports customers to a Parisian cafe, indulging in buttery croissants and delicate macarons. Or perhaps you're starting a boutique hotel. A name like Le Rêve, the dream, conjures up images of romantic getaways and luxurious accommodations. The key is to choose French words or phrases that align with your brand's personality and target audience. Do you want to evoke a sense of luxury, romance, or perhaps a touch of whimsy? French offers a treasure trove of beautiful and evocative words to choose from. So if you're looking to infuse your brand with a touch of elegance, sophistication, and international appeal, consider exploring the world of French-inspired names. So there you have it, my friends. 5 powerful techniques to help you craft a brand name that not only captures attention, but also stands the test of time. Remember, your brand name is more than just a word. It's the foundation of your brand identity, the first impression you make on the world. Take your time, brainstorm, experiment, and don't be afraid to get creative. Now I want to hear from you. Which technique resonated with you the most? Are you leaning towards a descriptive name or something more abstract and unique? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay focused, stay creative, and keep building those incredible brands. See you in the next video.